Cast-O-Matic is fired up, guys. We are in the zone. What's going on? It's Marlon O Bennett, guys. We're back for another how to give free stuff away, build a list, and make money YouTube video, guys. In this video, I want to talk about let's start giving stuff away. Let's get into giving that free stuff away. Okay, you guys have kind of followed along in the YouTube videos. Then you probably know there's any number of things you can actually give away to somebody. We like to call it an ethical bribe to actually bring people into your list. And so that's the way that we start the list building process, okay? Because this is a part of the affiliate email marketing list building lifestyle video YouTube channel and series. And so we'll be covering all things list building, okay? Lead, traffic generation, and how you can start building your own list to start marketing and promoting your products, your services, right? Or spreading the word about your MLM, your network marketing business, right? Your personal products, whatever it is you want to market and promote. So if you've been following along, you kind of know the anatomy of doing this. You know what I mean? I think you guys have seen enough of that and you kind of understand it. So in my first HBA funnel building software, I talked about building a capture page and then redirecting that capture page to a bridge page, right? So we talked about redirecting from a capture page. This is how you start building your list, and redirecting to a video bridge page, right? Basically, and staying congruent as we can when we do that, right? So meaning my bridge page should be right in line with the actual capture page. I'm talking about giving away free stuff and building a list and making money. And so I'm going to continue talking about giving away free stuff, building a list, and making money in my bridge page, in my video bridge page. Now, the video bridge page is different than the actual of a bridge page or thank you page I'm going to show you guys. And so you can use either of these strategies when you're starting to build your list. It really doesn't matter whether you use a video bridge page like I'm using here, where I'm actually redirecting you guys to the over-the-shoulder process of doing this. And so that's just one other way to do it. But if you didn't want to do that, guys, right? If you didn't want to do that, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. If you didn't want to redirect from your capture page, your lead capture page, right? Then you could also redirect to what we call a regular basically it's like just a regular thank you page, okay? But it's still congruent. If you guys are looking at the captions up here, how to give away free stuff, build a list, and make money. So we're still talking about the exact same thing, but instead of redirecting my prospect to a video bridge page, in this instance, I redirect my prospect from an actual capture page and to an actual thank you page. And so I'm talking about the HBA funnel builder because with the HBA funnel builder, these pages are basically, they are templates that's already pretty much done for you, right? And so I created this page because, again, guys, we're thinking about all the different creative and innovative ways we can get in front of our target audience, and then we can start building a list of those people. And so we talk a lot about branding. And so whether it's a actual video bridge page or it's actually a regular, basically a kind of thank you page like this, guys, you can still do the same thing, and you can brand yourself throughout the whole entire process. You know, if it was a video page, of course, there'd be a video of you, hopefully, talking on that video. But here, guys, you can put your pictures. You could actually also reach out and let your prospects know a little bit more about you. And here's another cool little trick I'm going to show you guys. You got to come to the page to see it if you want to see it. I'm not gonna do it in the video. But anyway, when your prospects start opting into your pages, right, and you got these pages built out, right, you want to position yourself as an authority, or at least somebody who can literally actually help the person solve the problem they're looking to have solved, right? Or help them with the tool that they want to learn how to use, or with the software that they want to get more understanding about, right? Because the free training can be, or the free thing you give away can be training, right? It can be anything. There's got to be something, though, that's going to lead a person to a particular solution for a particular thing, and in a particular niche, whatever the niche may be. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't matter. You want to bring people into your pages, and you want to redirect them and take them down the path to the solution they're looking, or the problem they're looking to have solved, right? So you can do a lot of branding up here. I'm telling you guys, you're on my list. You know, you've not seen this capture page. This bridge page is brand new. But the point is, you can link out too, right? Now I'm letting you guys know, if you came onto my list, you already seen this. I'm telling you guys, here's the information that I promised you guys. Check your email inbox, right? But also, I can speak further about some other things that I'm actually doing, and I can actually, from this point, I can redirect someone to another video, just so they can get even more up close and personal with me. But at the same time, they're looking for this information, and I sent it to their email inbox. So we want to get those emails open, okay? So that's just a cool little crafty way to do it, or rather than just redirecting to a page and not instructing the people to go open that email. Now, some people, they're busy, guys. We live very, very, very busy lifestyles in spite of automation. I mean, I'm saying outside of what I do and what internet marketers do and what affiliate marketers do. People are always on the run, so sometimes they may not open that email, right? But if you kind of encourage them and they really want that information, they're going to go check their email inbox, because that's why they opted in to the capture page in the very first place, was to get that information. So when you're starting to build your automatic marketing systems out, and that is what this is, when you have them built all out, then you can start strategically positioning yourself in front of the people you're giving stuff away in that type of way. I mean, there are many types of ways to do it. I could have just as easily redirected my prospects to a YouTube video right off the bat, right? I could have redirected my prospects to my Facebook page and then invite them to join my Facebook, to join me on Facebook. I could invite them to a webinar, right, where myself and some of the people that I do business with we're actually sitting in on a webinar, right? And so you can actually do whatever you need to do and whatever's clever to get the people where it is you want them to go, and give them the thing that they wanted and they asked for and they opted in for in the very first place. So you've seen the video bridge page. I love video bridge pages, but I also love pages like this too, guys. And you can actually, you really can do some really, really cool stuff. As a matter of fact, um, if you guys hold on, I'm gonna show you something really, really cool. Just hold on for 1 second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I went and pulled up what's known as a link rotator, right? And the reason I pulled up the link rotator is because when you start talking about these capture pages and even your bridge pages, your thank you pages, your video bridge pages, whatever, you can use a link rotator, guys, to link out to several related gifts or free bribes or offers. Okay, I mean, you can reach out by using a link rotator to different things that you're doing. If any of you guys have actually come through any of my funnels, you've seen it and you probably weren't paying a lot of attention to it. But let me show you what I mean. I could take a piece of code, right, if I wanted to put it inside of this page, and the code would be this little link shortener, but it's a link rotator. So what would happen is, in the instance of a capture page, every time a different person enters in succession, enters into my capture page, because I have it only 2 links inside of this one, what we call a link rotator, then they'll end up on a different page, right? So I didn't do it in this example because this campaign is live and I didn't feel like putting another page together. So I'm going to just show you guys what that looks like. So you got traffic running into your automated marketing system. You're starting to build your list by giving away free stuff. People are giving you their name and their email address. And when they say, yes, send me the information, with a link rotator inside of here, it's a little piece of code. I'll show you guys in another video. But when they opt in, this little link rotator right here is what triggers where they're redirected to. So I'm going to click it the first time. So when I click it the first time, they go right to that generic thank you page, right? Because that's where I wanted them to go in the first link that I set up inside of my link rotator. Now let's click the link rotator again. And what you'll see, guys, is I actually, inside of that link rotator, now I'm able to redirect that person to the actual video bridge page, right? Using the link rotator is very, very, it's a real cool way to market, guys, depending on what you're doing and how you want to do it, okay? Remember, you can use a link rotator inside of your capture pages. So everybody's hitting, 100 people are coming into this page. person number one will go to the first link. Person number two will go to the second link. Person number three will go to the third link, so on and so forth. That way you're also able to do some cool split testing. So let's look at that again. People are coming into your capture page. We're going to assume in this example that 500 people, I've just ordered 500 click solo ad. And as that traffic starts running into my automated marketing system, every other person coming into that system will be sent to a different alternating page. Only two in this instance, but person number one coming into my page will hit that page from my capture page, right? I'm redirecting to bridge, right? Now, let's go back to the actual link rotator. Person number two coming into my page will actually land on my video thank you page or my video welcome page. Well,